Exforge Hct is used to treat high blood pressure, which can help prevent strokes, heart attacks, and kidney problems. It contains 3 medications: amlodipine, valsartan, and hydrochlorothiazide. Amlodipine is a calcium channel blocker, and valsartan is an angiotensin receptor blocker, ARB. They both work by relaxing blood vessels so blood can flow more easily. Hydrochlorothiazide is a diuretic, which helps your body get rid of extra salt and water by making more urine. It is recommended to take Exforge Hct once daily, and it is best taken at the same time each day. It can be taken with or without food. The dosage is determined by your doctor based on your medical condition and response to treatment. Before you start taking Exforge Hct, make sure to read the patient information leaflet provided by your pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth as directed by your doctor, usually once daily. It's best to take it at least 4 hours before bedtime to avoid the need to wake up to urinate. The dosage will be based on your medical condition and response to treatment. Take Exforge Hct regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. It may take up to 2 weeks before you feel the full benefits of this product. Even if you feel well, continue taking it as prescribed. If you also take certain drugs to lower your cholesterol, make sure to take Exforge Hct at least 4 hours before or 4 to 6 hours after those medications. Remember to inform your doctor if you do not see improvement or if your condition worsens. It's important to keep track of your blood pressure readings and communicate any changes to your doctor. As your body adjusts to Exforge Hct, you may experience dizziness, lightheadedness, or headaches. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist. To reduce the risk of dizziness and lightheadedness, make sure to get up slowly when rising from a sitting or lying position. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the risks of potential side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Exforge Hct may cause dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. It's important to tell your doctor right away if you experience symptoms of dehydration or electrolyte imbalance, such as extreme thirst, dry mouth, muscle cramps/weakness, or irregular heartbeat. If you experience any serious side effects such as fainting, severe tiredness, joint pain, swelling, signs of infection, signs of kidney problems, or vision changes, it is important to inform your doctor immediately. In rare cases, some people with severe heart disease may experience worsening chest pain or a heart attack after starting this medication or increasing the dose. If you experience worsening chest pain or symptoms of a heart attack, seek medical help immediately. While it is rare, a serious allergic reaction to this drug may occur. If you notice symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed here. Valsartan has the potential to cause serious harm to an unborn baby if used during pregnancy. It is crucial to avoid pregnancy while taking this medication. Consult your doctor for more information and to discuss the use of reliable forms of birth control while taking this medication. If you are planning pregnancy, become pregnant, or think you may be pregnant, tell your doctor right away. Before taking Exforge Hct, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to amlodipine, valsartan, or hydrochlorothiazide, or if you have any other allergies. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues. Before using Exforge Hct, let your doctor or pharmacist know about your medical history, especially if you have kidney disease, liver disease, dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, gout, lupus, certain heart valve conditions, or skin cancer. This medication may cause dizziness. Avoid alcohol or marijuana, as they can increase this effect. Do not drive or use machinery until you can do so safely. Also, be cautious with prolonged sweating, diarrhea, or vomiting, as they can increase the risk of lightheadedness or dehydration. If you have diabetes, monitor your blood sugar regularly and share the results with your doctor. Your doctor may need to adjust your diabetes medication, exercise program, or diet. This medication may also affect your potassium levels, so consult your doctor before using potassium supplements or salt substitutes. Exforge Hct may make you more sensitive to the sun and increase your risk for skin cancer. Use sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit your time in the sun to reduce this risk. Inform your doctor about all the products you use before having surgery, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, talk to your doctor about the risks and benefits of using this medication. Additionally, consult your doctor before breastfeeding, as it is unknown if valsartan passes into breast milk, while hydrochlorothiazide and amlodipine do. Now let's talk about the uses and precautions of Exforge Hct. It's important to be aware of any potential interactions with other medications. This includes both prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products. Be sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Some products that may interact with Exforge Hct include aliskiren, dofetilide, lithium, and drugs that may increase potassium levels in the blood. It's also important to be cautious of products that could raise your blood pressure, such as cough and cold products, diet aids, and NSAIDs like ibuprofen and naproxen. Additionally, this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, which could lead to false results. Make sure to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are taking Exforge Hct. When it comes to the daily dosage and optimal timing, it's best to follow your doctor's instructions. They will be able to provide specific guidance based on your individual needs. Be sure to take the medication exactly as prescribed and do not start, stop, or change the dosage without your doctor's approval. If someone takes too much Exforge Hct and experiences serious symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canada residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include severe dizziness and fainting. It's important to note that you should not share Exforge Hct with others. In addition to taking Exforge Hct, making lifestyle changes such as exercising, quitting smoking, and following a low cholesterol/low-fat diet can help the medication work better. Make sure to consult your doctor for more details. While taking Exforge Hct, it's important to undergo regular lab and/or medical tests, such as kidney function tests, potassium levels, and skin exams. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments. It's also important to have your blood pressure checked regularly while taking Exforge Hct. You can also learn how to monitor your own blood pressure at home and share the results with your doctor. This will help ensure that the medication is working effectively for you. If you forget to take a dose of Exforge Hct, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to store Exforge Hct at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Avoid storing it in the bathroom and keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of the medication, make sure not to flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. When the product is expired or no longer needed, it should be properly discarded. It's best to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.